Dear students, yesterday I had given you exercise 6.4 few practice questions. I hope you all have done this. Today I am going to share the solutions for these questions. So check your answers and correct it wherever you have done mistakes. Divide using cancellation method. How to solve using cancellation method? Already I have explained before. Once again I'll explain you here. Suppose A I am solving. Question is like 350 divided by 20. First of all, in the place of ones, the 0 if it is given in divisor also and in dividend also. So those two zeros we will simply cut with each other. And then the remaining divisor and dividend we will solve. You see, this is 2, this is 35. 2 ones are 2, 1, 5. 2 sevens are 14, remaining 1. Okay, our solution is done here. We get the quotient and here the remainder. The final and the very important step, many a times the student used to forget this. This is 0 which we have cut na. How many zeros we have divided here? 1 0 only na. 1 0 with 1 0. So this divided 0 will surely be written in the remainder place. Keep in mind, don't forget this. You just do a simple division and at last the 0 which you have divided, put that 0 in the dividend place. Oh sorry, remainder place. So question and the remainder. Okay. Now if you see B, here this is 1's place 0 can be divided with 1's place 0. This 10's place 0 can be divided with 10's place 0. Keep in mind here, the solution in remainder we need to put two zeros together, right? So first we will divide. I don't have a place here, I'll do 4 and 4 to 8. This is our question now. Okay, so 4 ones are 4 cross 2. In the table of 4, 2 is not possible, so we need this 8 also. For that we will put a 0 here and 8. 4 sevens are 28 cross. If you see here, we already have 0 in remainder. So if you want to write these two zeros, then also no change because 0 only will be here and quotient will be 107. Got it? And then the next one is 5300 into 400. So again 2 zeros are here, can be subtracted with 2 zeros. We will divide 4 and 53. So I'll write here 4 and 53. 4 ones are 4, 1 is remaining here, 3. 4 threes are 12. So here again 1 is left. What is the next step? Whatever zeros we have divided, both of those zeros shall be written here. Now, so 2 zeros are divided. Now, so 2 zeros we will write here. 13 is your quotient and 100 is your remainder. Got it? Then we have 2 more questions. I'll solve them also. I am solving it for you so that you can check your answers. I hope you all are solving these papers on regular basis. Question number D. 1's place 0 will be divided with 1's place 0. 10's place 0 will be divided with 10's place 0. Now we have this 7 and 92. We will solve this here. 792. 7 ones are 7. 2 is left. 2 we will be written here. 7 threes are 21. So from 2 we will subtract 1, we will get here 1 and here cross. In remainder 1 is left. What we have to do? Whatever zeros we have divided, that is 2 zeros we have divided now, both of those zeros will be written in the remainder place. So again 30 is your quotient and 100 is your remainder. And the last one 7080, that is 7080 divided by 50. In 1's place 0 will be divided with 1's place 0. We have only 1 0, you can notice here. So we'll divide 5708. 5 ones are 5. 2 is left 0. 5 fours are 20. Cross 8 is left. 5 ones are 5. So 3 is left. Okay. What to do? Here we have crossed only 1 0 now. So this whatever zeros we are dividing, that will be written down here. So in the place of 3 we will write here 0. So your answer will be 141 in quotient place and 30 in remainder place. I hope the questions are clear. How to divide using cancellation method. Next question, that is divide mentally and write quotient remainder. I'll explain in the very next clip after this.